Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So we need to put about u equal to s because we need to simplify s when we do about integration. Later that we can allow to do this integration in here. So this one we do first the derivative for the both side, and you got about the u equals to the s. dv we got about cosecant of as square. The s, the integration of this one, you will got about v equals to 1 over a, and we have negative cosine as. So we got about u multiplied by v, and you will got about negative s over a cosine as. Du multiplied by v, but we have the negative in here and we have another negative in here, so you got about positive 1 over 8, and we have the integration cosine as ds. So cosine we change for cosine as over sine as. The integration of this one, you will got about 1 over 8 multiplied by ln of the absolute value of sine of as inside the absolute value, and we put about c. 1 over a multiplied by 1 over 8, you will got about a square. This is the end. Thank you for watching.